What's up, tech downloaders, and welcome to another one of our 2-minute videos. Today we're going to give our first impressions on Samsung's latest flagship, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and smash that like button, and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button and support the channel. We definitely appreciate it, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments down below. Now let's get started. So the first thing is, what does this phone come with? So it actually comes with the phone, of course, and it's going to come with some booklets that you're not going to read. You're not going to need to read that. And you're going to come with some the charger itself, and that's a fast charger. It has a connection, and this connection actually works for you to transfer data from your old phone to the new one. Similar to what you're seeing on the screen now, you just basically plug the USB connection in your old phone and plug that connection into your new phone, transfers all your apps, information, and it takes about 20 minutes, so you can just set it and kind of forget it. Now, impressions with the phone itself, the phone feels great in your hands. It's actually point something inches bigger than the old Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but what really stands out for me anyway so far in using it for the past couple of days is definitely the battery. The battery lasts all day with some to spare, and I'm a heavy phone user, and I was usually coming home with my Note 8 with about 20 to 25% battery life left. Now I've been rocking this phone for a couple days now, using it as much as I can, trying to get as much testing done as possible, and I was able to come home with about 50 to sometimes 45% of the battery, and that's a lot of screen on time, and I have the screen set to its max, so that tells you how good this 4,000 milliamp hour battery is. Now you're just gonna get the most out of this phone. All the bells and whistles are in it. It's definitely an expensive phone, but we're gonna give you a full review and breakdown coming up, and also a comparison between the Note 8, so definitely tune back in for that. Now if you enjoyed this first impressions video, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments down below. Tune in next time for another video, and until next time, peace out.